Good morning, everybody, or lunch, actually. It's in the afternoon, just a little afternoon here. Hey, I am Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible parts car. Welcome back to the episode, or channel, I should say. This episode is going to be pretty light. We're going to get the key tumbler off the steering rack. I think I've got an idea. Watched other YouTube videos, so they're kind of helpful on this, and I'm going to do my own on it. What I'm trying to do is get the key tumbler off the steering column. And I've got a security nut bolt where it's snapped off. You can't get anything on it. Here, let me take a picture of it, show it to you guys. All right, over here laying on the floor is steering column. And realistically, they're stripped off. But from what I've been told and seen, I am hoping I should be able to chisel in a notch like a screwdriver on it. So that's what we're going to do today. Should be a short video, nothing too crazy. I'm still cleaning. As you can see, I've gotten a lot of good stuff picked up around here. Let me take you spin around slowly. So that's what we're going to do today. I am probably going to put that in my vise since it's easier to work on that way. So let me get all that set up, and I'm assuming we'll do a time warp on it. So 3, 2, 1, woo! All right, hopefully the time lapse got done there and shows you it did work. It just takes a little bit. Hit it with a small chisel. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Hammer, screwdriver, small chisel, and that is actually the safety bolt that stops everything from moving around. These are the security nut heads. You can see I just put a slight groove into them. Hopefully that zooms in right for you. To get this in, like this. Doesn't take much. I am going to replace those with normal screws at some point, or bolts. Be able to replace them. And the reason I did all of this is because I wanted to save all of the keys to go with this thing. So that there is a tumbler. That's all I really use. Just put it on a vise. So that's gonna do it for today's episode. Should be short and sweet. Like I said, just take a chisel on it. It's actually quite easy. I mean, you could probably do that in car. You're just gonna be beating on it pretty hard to make that happen. Like I said, that gets my steering rack completely free, which I'm not gonna need. I don't need an additional steering rack. But that's how you get a key tumbler off. For those who have issues, you know, keys being bad, this will be hope for you in that aspect. So once again, my name is Z James. This is the Z32 Workshop, and I hope you're like me and you're in the garage every day doing a little bit of work on your project to get them completed. Because as you can see, that used to be a whole car. It ain't no more. I mean, it's still a chassis, but it's almost all gone. So, all right, everyone, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.